Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Microsoft Teams. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the Microsoft Teams app, and then here at the top right you should see this update button usually, and first time you should probably not see this, so you just click on these three dots and then you can click here on settings. Okay, and what I want you to do is just go ahead and click here on about Teams. Okay, so you'll see your version right here, and if an update is available you click on update now, and then it will go ahead and download the update, and then it will restart your Microsoft Teams. So as you can see right now, the update is actually happening, right? It's now updating. They're setting the things up, and soon you should see that update button has disappeared. This is the new Teams. If I come back here, click on it, there's no update button. If I come to settings as well, if we go here to about Teams, it is up to date, latest version. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.